DisplayPort to DVI adapter, DisplayPort 1.2, HBR2, to DVI-D single-link adapter connects a DVI display/projector supporting 1920 by 1210 1080p 60 Hz, EDID/DDC pass-through ensures compatibility between source and display, 5.7, 15 cm, attached cable. Compatibility: Active Video Converter supports DP or DP++ source including workstations, desktops, AMD/Nvidia, laptops, small form factor computers and docking stations, AMD Eyefinity Certified ideal for use with Radeon Pro Series workstation graphics. Connect a primary or secondary display, connect a DVI monitor or projector or add a second display to your workstation. Compact design vertical bar tested W/DVI cables up to 25 feet. Supports Apple Cinema Display HD. Latching DisplayPort and screw locking DVI. Latching DP connector ensures a solid host connection, supports DVI screw locking cable to prevent cable from coming loose or accidental disconnection. Easy to use, with no software or drivers required, the DP to DVI adapter converter works with any OS including Windows, Ubuntu and Mac OS. DisplayPort male to DVI female adapter dongle. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly to convert DP to DVI. Remember it's 1920 by 1200 tops. This adapter works, no finagling, no janky stuff. Just plug it into my DP port on my video card and it converts it to DVI and handles 1080p or 1200p resolutions without any issue. No issues with scan size, screen, resolution, etc., brightness, nothing. Can't tell it's adapted at all. No extra power cable, no USB, nothing needed. Simple and works. Lets you span out those monitors from a multi-output video card easily. If you have older monitors that are not HDMI/DP/etc., like older DVI/VGA setups. Remember this will not work for 4K resolution or higher. Get a new monitor for that. This is to simple convert DP at 1080p/1200p resolution to DVI for use on older monitors. Saved me buying a new monitor and/or older video cards. Video cards rarely have DVI now for multi-output, it's all DP these days.